Now let's see how to install ABAP on cloud in SAP Cloud Platform Cloud Foundry environment. Let's go to the Cloud Foundry environment. We click on this button. It is loading. Now we are on the home page of Cloud Foundry environment. To create an ABAP on cloud instance, we have to create a sub account. We already know that sub account represents a team. For example, in your company, if you have a team who is going to use ABAP, then you will create a sub account for them. So let's create a sub account for the ABAP team. I will click on the new sub account. Will write the name of the sub account, ABAP team. In the description, I will write the team will use ABAP on cloud. The by default provider in trial service is Amazon Web Services. The region, we have two options available. We can choose anyone. So I will select Europe Frankfurt. Subdomain. The subdomain is related to the roles and authorization. So I will write ABAP subdomain, and this enable beta features. If I enable this button, then if SAP provides any new features inside the Cloud Foundry environment, then I can access that feature inside this sub account. So let's click on create button. Now the process of creation of sub account has started. It can take some time. Now it has created our sub account ABAP team.